Hey guys, it's Daniela. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to do the Like That by Doja Cat TikTok trend, which was like really popular and it's becoming popular again. And personally, it's like one of my favorite dances. It's like really fun to do and also really easy to learn. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's get into it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna like go down with our hands just like that. So they're just gonna bounce. And then what we're gonna do with our right hand, as you can see, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. So we're gonna go with our right hand above our head and we're gonna snap. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then same with the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so after that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just roll our arms and we're gonna go 1, 2. So basically our hands are gonna be going forward and then back, just as if you're gonna like show your nails, just like that, and then you're gonna go back. So once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, snap, 2, snap, roll, and 2. So after this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cross our arms as if we were saying like no, and then we're gonna uncross them and we're gonna do like this with our hands, just like that. And then what we're gonna do is like just put our finger over here and then our hand is gonna go above our head. So once again from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, snap, 2, snap, roll, and 2, cross, 1 and 2. So after we do this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put like our right hand in front of us and it's just gonna be pointing down, and then we're gonna do the same with our left arm. So 1, 2, and then it says come my way. So basically we're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, as if we were just calling someone with our hand, just like that. So 1, 2, 3, and that's it. That's the whole dance. So we're gonna do it from the beginning twice. First we're gonna do it slow and then we're gonna do it a little bit faster and we're done. So first, let's go slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, snap, 2, snap, roll, and 2, cross, 2, 1, and then our hands are gonna go down, down, 1, 2, 3. That's it. And now we're gonna do the same thing, but a little bit faster. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, snap, 2, snap, roll, and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, comment what dances you want me to do next, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!